Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello, adventurers! In this video, I will explain how to get oxygen gear for high-altitude exploration in the game Fisch. As you ascend the Northern Expedition Mountain, your oxygen levels will drop, making these tanks crucial for survival. We'll cover where to find each of the 4 available tanks, their costs, and how they help you reach the summit. Staying supplied with oxygen is key to a successful climb and discovering all the mountain has to offer. To begin your journey, you'll first encounter the basic oxygen tank. This green tank costs 1,000 cash and is located at the very first base camp you reach on the Northern Expedition. It provides roughly 6 minutes and 30 seconds of oxygen. As you climb higher, you'll find the beginner oxygen tank at the 3rd base camp in the Frigid Cavern, costing 3,500 cash. This tank significantly boosts your oxygen supply to about 16 minutes. Continuing your climb, the intermediate oxygen tank becomes available for 10,000 cash at the 4th base camp, often found near the summit rod. This red tank provides a substantial increase in your breathable air. For the ultimate endurance, the advanced oxygen tank is located at the Glacial Grotto, near hiker number 10. This top-tier tank costs 25,000 cash and offers the longest oxygen supply, making it indispensable for exploring the highest reaches of the northern summit. Remember, oxygen tanks in Fisch do not refill automatically. You must visit refilling stations found at various campsites. It's vital to constantly monitor your oxygen bar, particularly when venturing into unexplored, higher altitude zones. Simply equip your chosen oxygen tank from your inventory to benefit from its extended breathing time. Keep in mind that diving gear is for underwater exploration, while these oxygen tanks are specifically designed for the thin air of the Northern Expedition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.